Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Ishtiaq, and you are watching my YouTube channel. And we are studying today the topic lysosomes in cell biology. What are lysosomes? As you see, lysosomes are cytoplasmic organelles. They are single membrane bounded cytoplasmic organelles. They are different from the other organelles due to their morphology. Lyso is combination of two Latin words. Lyso means splitting and soma means bodies. These organelles were discovered by scientist D. Dove in 1949. These organelles were discovered by D. Dove in 1949. These are discovered by D. Dove 1949. So anything that enter into the cell is engulfed by lysosome and digest it and break it into the small digestible pieces. This process is known as phagocytosis. These organelles, chemically, these are composed of hydrolytic and acid phosphatases enzymes. These organelles composed of acid phosphatases and hydrolytic enzymes. Now, question arises where these enzymes are formed. These enzymes, hydrolytic and acid phosphatase enzymes, these are formed on the ribosomes. Then these come in the endoplasmic reticulum. From these are further processed in the Golgi bodies, and then these enzymes are budded off from the Golgi bodies and as a primary lysosomes. These primary lysosomes combine with the food vacuole to form the secondary lysosomes. These lysosomes are also involved in the extracellular digestion. Lysosomes are also involved in the autophagy. During this process of autophagy, they break down the old mitochondria and other cellular organelles, so that these organelles get be recycled and the renewal of the material take place due to the autophagy. Other function that perform the lysosome is the during developmental process. During developmental process, they degenerate many cells, as in the embryonic stage. This process is known as autophagy. Lysosomes, due to the lack of lysosomal enzymes, many congenital diseases or hereditary diseases occur. These diseases or congenital diseases are discussed as, for example, the disease is known as glycogenosis type 2. In glycogenosis type 2, one of the lysosomal enzyme that convert the glycogen into the glucose in the liver cells is absent due to the mutations in the DNA that produce that particular enzyme, lysosomal enzyme. So the glycogen get deposit into the liver cells in form of membrane bounded organelles. Get deposit into the liver cell. So the glycogen does not converted into the glucose due to the absence of lysosomal enzyme. So this disease is known as glycogenosis type 2. Such 20 type of diseases has been so far known for the different enzymes. for the different enzymes due to lack of different enzymes. Other disease that due to the lysosomal enzyme is Tay-Sachs disease. In Tay-Sachs disease, lipids, the glycolipids, they get deposits into the brain cell. They get deposits into the brain cell. So due to the lack of lysosomal enzyme, metabolism of lipids gets stopped. So the lipids cannot be converted into the smaller units. So these lipids get deposit in the brain cell due to the defective lysosomal enzyme or due to lack of the lysosomal enzyme due to the mutation. Because these enzymes are produced by the mutations, mutation of DNA. So these enzymes are defective. So the lipids get deposits in the brain cell, and the patient of such cases get mentally retarded. Thanks for watching.